everyone, I am Shukanna. I hope you all are doing really well. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys 5 amazing products that are under rupees 100 and are the ones that I swear by. As college students, we often don't have enough money to spend on beauty products, and beauty products tend to get really expensive. So I thought I'll share 5 products with you guys that are in my vanity and worth your money. The first thing that I'm going to talk about is a body wash, and we all need a very good body wash in our lives, and the one that I'm talking about today is this one from Vivel. It is the lavender and almond oil variant, and it has the most gorgeous fragrance ever. Apart from that, it lathers and foams really well and also cleans your skin properly. I love this product. It's only for 40 rupees, but it lasts you for a good amount of time, and everybody asks me what I've applied after I've come out of my shower because that's how good it smells. The next product is a literal non-negotiable in my life. I am obviously talking about Borolin. This is an OG product, you guys. We have so many of this in our home, in every room, in every bag, and why not? Honestly, this is a product I absolutely swear by. It has an amazingly thick, nourishing texture, and what it does, it heals everything, literally from lips to heels to cuts and bruises, everything. This is such an amazing product, and we Bengalis, we swear by this. We all deserve a good lip liner in our lives, and the one that I'm talking about today is the one from Mars. This is the Edge of Desire lip liner, and this is in the shade 03 Bloodbath. It is such an amazing shade. It works really well for brown skin, and it is only for ₹69 on Nykaa, and I feel that we always need a very affordable lip product as college students, so this is something I absolutely swear by. Talking of lip products, how can I not mention a good lip balm? This is the one from Vaseline. This is their lip care range, and this is in the variant Cocoa Butter. I love this fragrance so much. It moisturizes your lips really well and leaves them smooth and soft, and also this gives a very juicy glossy finish to the lips, so I absolutely love this. Also, the moisturization lasts really long, so that is a big plus point. Last but definitely not the least, I'm going to be talking about a good hand cream. I wash my hands a lot, so what happens is that my hands get really dry, so I'm always looking for a good hand cream, and the one that I got under ₹100 was this one from Zudio. This is the moisturizing hand cream, and it is such a good hand cream. It moisturizes and nourishes your hands really well, and the moisturization also lasts for a good amount of time. So at this price point, I think this is a very good purchase. That's it for this video. I have a few more products that are affordable and useful, and I'll make separate videos for those as well. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye.